Good morning, student. On last turn, we revised the chapter number 9, application of trigonometry. Now today, we will start chapter number 12, area related to circle. Now see the some questions which are not in your NCERT book, but these questions are very important questions. Question number 1, the area enclosed between two concentric circles is 770 centimeter square. Given that the radius of outer circle is 21 centimeter, find the area of inner circle. So these are the two concentric circle. The center is O, inner radius is small r, outer radius is capital R. This area is given to you is 770 centimeter square. Now find out the inner radius. So area of ring, that is pi capital R square minus small r square. 770 22 upon 7. Outer radius, that is a capital R, is 21. So 21 square minus r square. 770 into 7 upon 22. This is equal to 441 minus r square. 11 2 ja, 11 7 ja, 2 35 ja, 7 5 ja 35, 7 3 ja 21 and 5 26. 7 5 ja 35, 7 3 ja 21 and 3 24 is 441 minus r square, and r square is equal to 441 minus 245, 11 minus 5, 13 minus 4 9, 196. r is equal to square root 196. Factor of 196 this is 98, 49, 7. So it is 2 into 2 into 7 into 7. That is equal to 2 into 7, 14 centimeter. See the second question. A wire is in the form of a circle with diameter 21 centimeter. It is cut and bent into square. Find the area of square. A wire in the form of circle of diameter is 21 centimeter, radius is 21/2, that is 10.5 centimeter. This is circular wire. So circumference is equal to 2 pi r, 2 into 10.5, 5 2 ja, 5 21 ja, 7 3 ja, 2 and 2 cancel, 66 centimeter. This is the length of this wire. It converted into the form of a square. So circumference is equal to perimeter of square. So circumference is 66, perimeter of square is 4 into side, therefore side is 66 upon 4, 2 ja, 33 3 ja. So it is 33 upon 2 centimeter. Area of square is equal to side square. Side is 33 upon 2 square. So 33 into 33. 33 3 is 99. 99 and 9 108. 1089 upon 4. Now divided. 4 2 is 8, 4 7 is 28, 9, 4 2 is 8, 1 0.2 is 5 ja. So it will be 272.25 centimeter square. Next, the perimeter of semicircular protector. Third question, the perimeter of semicircular protector. Is 72 centimeter. Find the diameter of protector. This is your protector, semicircular form. Perimeter means this circumference plus this diameter. So perimeter of protector is equal to circumference of semicircle plus diameter. So it is 72 is equal to pi r plus 2r. 72 22 upon 7r plus 2r upon 1. 7 is the LCM. 22r 1 7 ja 7 2 ja 14r. So 72 is equal to 36 r upon 7, or r is equal to 72 into 7 upon 36 by cross multiply. 36 2 ja, that is 14 centimeter, and diameter is twice the radius, so 2 into 14, that is equal to 28 centimeter. Let us see question number 4. The perimeter of a sector of a circle of radius 5.8 meter is 27.2 meter. Find the area of sector. Generally, we find the area of sector by using formula theta upon 360 into pi r square, but here angle is not given. In NCERT book we use the angle, center angle, like this one. This is your center angle, but here center angle is not given, so you can use another formula, or either by using perimeter of sector we find out the angle theta. So how will you use it? Another way, these are the two radii plus length of arc. In place of this identity or formula, we will use area of sector is equal to half into radius into length of arc. So first find out the length of arc. Perimeter is equal to length of arc L plus twice radius. Perimeter is given 27.2, length is to be calculated 2, radius is 5.8. 27.2 length plus 2 8 ja 16, 2 5 ja 10 and 1 11, and L is equal to 27.2 minus 11.6, 651 meter, and area is equal to half into R into L, half into 5.8 into 15.6. Now 2 2s are 0.29 ja, multiplied it 29 6 ja 174, 29 5 ja 145, 152 162, 29 1 ja 29 and 16 45. and the one decimal place is this one is this one, so this is 45.24 meter square.